Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to increase your GCash limit to 500,000 pesos without a bank account. First things first, open your GCash app and check your current account limit by going to your profile. Tap Profile Limits, and as you can see, my current limit is 100,000 pesos only. So to learn how you can increase your limit, go to the Help Center, tap Get Help, and from there, look for the article, How Can I Increase My GCash Limit? Read the article to understand the requirements and available options. If you need further assistance, tap Chat with Gigi and follow the instructions provided. So as you can see on the screen, you may need to link a bank account, create a GSave account, and create a GFunds account. After completing these steps, wait up to 5 business days for the request to be processed. Keep in mind that the 500,000 pesos limit may depend on your account eligibility and GCash requirements. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks everyone. See you on the next one.